What's up, guys? We're about to go get some Z32 calipers for the S13.
It's gonna be freaking sick.
Get them for a steal. 45 bucks, and they go for like 200 bucks on eBay. We're about to go run to the ATM real quick, and then we'll be on our merry way on over there.
Hell yeah, stay tuned.
Catch up with you then.
Alright, guys. We're almost at ATM.
Alright, I'll see.
Car is super freaking loud.
I'm on the phone with my mom.
You guys get money. So, back with the mom.
Alright, bet. Bye.
Got the money. Got the money.
I only need to borrow $5 because I don't want to pull out 60 and they're only 45 bucks. So buckle up, guys. It's the law.
Yeah, buckle up. Probably should have already did that. Oh man, that thing's probably supercharged, eh, Mikey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let her rip, tater chip. Do not speed in construction zones like we just were.
Yeah, don't do that.
Hit a cone, you won't.
No, I ain't no phone.
All right, we're at the ATM. She's right down over there. What time is it? 3 o'clock, and I'm already dirty. Look at this. Hecka. My friend Nico, he has a 2J S13. It's the cleanest 240 in Omaha, not even gonna lie. We're at the ATM, but I'm gonna finish my story. His tire blew out, he's about to sell it. So I let him borrow my back ones, and he put his Rotogrids on mine. He's got some Rotogrids, you know. What's up, guys? We're following him to his storage unit where all the parts are.
Hopefully, yes.
Hey, there's Jesse's house.
Jesse with the
300ZX that we're about to go get calipers for. Yeah, we're gonna follow him to his storage unit, pick these parts up, and take them over to the garage, and you guys can see the Nico's Rotogrids on my 240. Later.
So we
What's
back,
up, guys. We met up with him, dude. He's stupid cool. He's probably watching this. He hooked it up. He said he watches us. So he wanted 60 for him, and I got him for 45. He's a super cool dude. I bought the calipers, so I got some Z32 boys on there, and I'm probably just gonna end up getting CTSV brakes for the front. I got the rebuild kit too.
Oh yeah, they're a little dirty, but they're brakes. They're supposed to get dirty. We're gonna clean them up, probably paint them maybe. But I don't know. I kind of like this gold.
So do
It's
I.
like bronze, but it's sick. Yeah, we're gonna rebuild these things. Anyways, they're probably just the seals are probably bad. Hopefully
Gaskets.
the cylinder's not any bad. But
I'm gonna be buying more parts from him. He has a KA bell housing. He has a pedal. I'm pretty sure. He said he has to look for one. He should have one. And he has the rear 5-lug, so I can finally put those GTR wheels on.
finally,
I got Nico's 4-lug Rotogrids on there right now. He's trying to sell it, and he had somebody come look at it. So Mark's behind the camera fucking laughing at me because I don't know how to talk. And
anyways, let's go look at the car.
yeah,
We're gonna go look at the wheels. The wheels are tight. You'll like them. Yeah, shut that.
Hot boy shit.
Yep.
Gonna get an idea of how the GTR wheels are gonna fit. How the GTR wheels are gonna fit. Almost bust that.
Anyways, we'll see you in the garage.
We're gonna learn how to rebuild some brakes soon.
Yep.
Get a little bit of spiciness. Look at that.
That one's the flat one, huh?
Yeah, that's a flat one. Look over there.
Yeah, we'll look on this side because that one's all flat.
Fuck. They're fixing this shit.
Damn. Look at that poke. Has some pokiness to it. But anyways, it's pretty. It's slow-ish. Slower than it was. Those wheels are sick. We did put the lowering springs on, and if you haven't seen the video, check out our last video we just uploaded. We just uploaded those. I don't know what Mike is trying to do over here.
Trying to make them look good so I can flex on the Snapchat.
Trying to flex on the Snapchat. If you want us on Snapchat, our Snapchats will be in the description below. He needs to not be going to parties. He needs to save up his money. Anyways,
Hey, I was just there to be a DD. I had to support the homies.
Gotta support the homies, I guess. This is the 240. It's looking pretty sick.
Got some calipers.
Oh, you finally get some calipers?
Some Z32 calipers.
Don't tell me that's what you're switching to now.
No, these are Nico's wheels.
Oh, about to say.
I think we got
What
Bigfoot back
color is
here.
the paint we're done?
What, the whole car?
No, the fucking door frame.
No, purple. I want to paint it fucking purple.
Like that one you posted on Facebook the other day?
It's sparkly.
Yeah.
I want plum crazy purple with some sparkles.
Hey.
You know how to rebuild brake calipers? I don't know.
Lay it down on the ground.
I don't want to figure it out, but then again, I don't want to fucking figure it out.
Man,
It won't be that
in
hard.
that video the other day, I looked like shit, man. Looked like a fucking caveman come out of the fucking dark.
I owe you
Hair
2
all
ratchets.
puffy.
I owe you 2 ratchets.
Oh, I heard on the video you broke them.
Yeah, I know. I owe you 2. I'll go to Harbor Freight and get you some.
Big giant hair down.
We're gonna have husky puppies for sale.
Husky puppies.
550 female, 450 males.
You heard him?
You heard him. And that'll be an upcharge since you've seen it from the video, you know. 10%, that's all.
Yeah. You know what that 10% is going to? This shit box right here, baby. Make sure you use big boy ratchets or this will happen. It's all this.
You gotta use a breaker bar. You can't be using a ratchet for a breaker bar with a fucking end of a fucking...
Looks good to me.
Oh shit. Well, anyways, those are the broken ratchets.
I'm fucking filthy.
Those are the brake calipers we just went and bought. They're pretty nice. They're not bad. We got the rebuild kit. We're gonna fix them. If they're really that bad. They probably are, but anyways, these are pretty sick. Those are pretty sick. Transmit's pretty sick. This thing probably got some diseases. It's called rust, but...
Tenants, baby, tenants.
But anyways, that was our video for today. I know it wasn't that crazy or exciting, but...
Nah, we're about to go do something. I'm about to convince Mark to go do something right now.
I don't know, maybe. I gotta go eat food.
He's gonna be a fucking vagina.
Anyways,
Yeah,
make sure you
trying to
like,
change the
share.
subject.
Like, share, comment, subscribe.